Are you ready to study with me? Okay, now today our class are going to learn about Unit 13 places. At the end of our lesson, you can understand the place, you can know more active about places and can answer these questions in the place. After that, you can use this active and write a short paragraph about your favorite places. It's about 50 words. Okay, before we start the lesson, let's play a small game with me. What can you see in the street, on the screen?
Alphabet.
Oh, the alphabet with these
Numbers.
Very good. So, when I show you the number, like 16, 1, 18, 11, and you guess the word. 16 means where's 16? P. Okay, you write the word P. Number 1 is A. Number 18 is R. And 11 is K. So you have the word park. So what do you need to do? Look at the number and write the letter to make the word. The word is about
Places.
Very good. What do you need to write? You need the board and marker. Here you are. Are you ready to guess?
Yes.
Okay, the first word. You can ring the bell and say out loud the word if you finish. Oh, no, please.
Cinema.
Cinema. Okay, how about you? Cinema. Is it correct? Now let's check. Wow, very good. It's a cinema. Do you usually go to the cinema to watch films?
Yeah.
Yes, me too. I usually go to the cinema after when I have free time, usually at weekends. Okay, the second word. The first letter is 19, so I miss it. Okay, you please. Supermarket. Now let's check. No, is it correct?
Yeah.
How do you spell it? S-U-P-E-R-M-A-R-K-E-T. Very good. Now read again. Supermarket.
Supermarket.
Very good. And the last word. Can you guess? What in the next place?
School.
Maybe store. What else?
Shopping.
This is the place you can eat, drink. So what is it? Restaurant. Maybe. Okay, now let's look at this number and guess. Maybe you're correct. Okay, please. Finish. Okay, now raise your words. Restaurant, how about you?
Yes.
Restaurant too? Okay, now let's check. Very good. It's a restaurant. How often do you go to the restaurant? Every week. Wow, you are rich. And now you can discuss with your friends in your group. You. Imagine there's a friend next to you. Okay, now you can work in group together and discuss 3 questions on the board. I will give you 1 minute to discuss, and after that, you will give me the answer. Question number 1, can you read it for me, please?
What's your favorite place to go on weekends?
Question number 2, why do you like go there? And the last question, what do you usually do there? So we have picture 1 is a park. Okay, picture 2,
Supermarket.
Cinema and
Restaurant.
Restaurant. So now let's discuss in 1 minute. Maybe you can write down or note in your mini board. Okay, time's up. Can you share your idea with your friends in front of the class? So who can? Raise your hand. Okay. Okay. I would like to invite your team. Okay, come to the board and share your idea with your friends.
We are usually our favorite place to go on weekend is the supermarket. Yeah, because there are lots of things. We got the food, we got the game center, and we usually when we go to the supermarket, we usually buy chocolate.
Oh, you like chocolate?
Chicken, fried chicken, and we play some game.
Very good. Okay, thank you. So how about your group? Do you usually go to the supermarket like this group?
No,
Okay, you can share your ideas.
on weekends we usually go to the park. The park is with friends.
Oh, you can meet new friends. Wow, excellent. So thank you. So for me, I like to go to the supermarket like this group because in the supermarket I can buy a lot of things. I can buy food, I can buy clothes here, and maybe at the weekend I and my family, especially my son, to go to the supermarket to walk around looking for things and like in here because it has a big place, a big center. Yes, in center in supermarket. And I will give you some picture about the famous places around the world. The first one is, you can see Sydney in Australia, Bath in England, Rosario in Argentina, and Paris in Belgium. But do you know it's in picture A, picture B, C, or D? So can you guess? You know picture D. You know picture D? Yeah.
It's in Sydney, Australia.
It's in Sydney, Australia. So now you can work in a team and match together. You know some favorite places or some places like this? Okay, if you don't know, I will give you some fact about these places. Do you know how many people live in Sydney?
I don't know.
Sydney has nearly 5 million people live in here. What is famous for?
Sydney Opera House.
Oh, Sydney Opera House. And what else? Does Australia, is Australia has a capital?
Yes.
Oh, sorry. The Sydney is a capital of Australia?
No.
No. Why you know that?
Because my father told me.
Oh, Sydney is the largest city in Australia, but it isn't a capital. Okay, and what else? So how about Bath? Can you see the word Bath? You imagine and you remember it has at your house. Bath like a bathtub. So why does it name bath? Because in bath,
People like take a bath.
take a bath. Because in here there are a lot of baths.
Yeah.
And this is a small city in southwest of England. It became a sport in 60 AD when the Romans built their bath there and gave the city its name. So it's around 90,000 people live in here. So can you guess which picture is that?
I think picture B.
And the third one, Rosario in Argentina.
Maybe A.
Maybe A. Okay, do you know how many people live in here?
No. I just know Messi.
Is it right? Rosario is over million people. This and this is the third most popular city. This city has lots of green spaces, a few beaches along the river, and it also has good food here. And the last one, the population is about 4 pictures on the screen. 4 pictures with four names. Okay, can you guess the name with the correct picture? I will give you the prediction true or false. So you can read it first. After you will read the test and choose the correct name with the picture. Okay, picture number 1. Kate's favorite place is near the ocean. Near the ocean. You can write it down. You can guess. You can read it. Is it true or false? Okay, picture number 2. Can you read it?
Would be in Longwood Safari Park in cheap to visit.
You can read it. Is it cheap?
I think it's false.
Oh, false. So you can write false. Number 3, can you please? So you think it's true or false? Okay. Number 4, Jane's favorite place is a chocolate factory in Belgium. So do you know the word factory? Do you know the word factory?
Yes.
So who worked in a factory? A teacher, a worker, or a doctor worked in a factory?
A worker.
Oh, a worker. Very good. Number 5, Ruby enjoys seeing the giraffe at Longwood Safari Park. True or false? True. Number 6, Jane hopes to work in a chocolate factory one day. True. Kate's friend often join her in a swimming pool. the last one, Arturo lives far away from his favorite restaurant. Okay, after you read it, you can read the test and find the information in here to check your answer true or false. Give you 1 minute more to read. Time stop. So can you give me the answer? Kate, which picture? B. Okay, Kate is B. How about Ruby? How about Ruby? C. Okay, you think K. The picture B. How about Ruby? C. Arturo, A, and Jane. The last one, the last person, D. Okay, let's check. K, B, C, Arturo, A, and Jane, D. Very good. Okay, this is a new vocabulary for you about factory. And the second one, I think this is expensive. Can you see? What is it? It's like money. And is it a ring? Expensive or cheap? Expensive or cheap? Expensive. So you need a lot of money to buy this ring. Yes or no?
Yes.
So this ring is very
Expensive.
So that means expensive. You need a lot of money to buy. Can you give me an expensive thing you have? It's very, very expensive. You need to have a lot of money to buy it.
No, I don't have money.
How about your phone? I think it's so expensive. And laptop. Yes, the laptop, diamond ring, and phone. Especially iPhone 16 now is very, very expensive. Famous. Do you know?
Yes.
Them? How are they?
Blackpink.
Okay, Blackpink are very
Famous.
Blackpink is very famous. So can you give me some famous people? You know? Taylor Swift.
Ronaldo.
Oh, Ronaldo. And in Vietnam, the famous person in Vietnam,
Hiếu thứ hai.
Hiếu thứ hai, maybe Sơn Tùng,
MTV.
MTV. They are very famous. Okay, now read again to me. Factory,
Factory.
expensive,
Expensive.
famous.
Famous.
Can you make a sentence with 3 vocabulary? Famous. Oh, sorry, it's factory. Who worked in factory?
Workers.
You can make the sentence.
A
A worker
works
works
in
in a factory. How about expensive?
My dad's phone is expensive.
Good job. How about famous? in TV
is famous.
famous famous person.
A famous person.
Good job. Okay, now you can read the text again and answer this question for me, please. Where does Kate live? Can you find out the information in this? So number one, where does Kate live?
Australia.
Australia. Is it correct? Yes, she lives in Sydney, Australia. Number two, can you read the question and you will answer? Number two.
Where is the chocolate festival?
In Belgium.
Very good, exactly. Number three, you can read and who can answer?
Which animals does Ruby likes?
Ruby likes giraffes.
Does she like giraffes? No?
Yes.
Yes, very good. She likes giraffes. Number four, when does Arturo go to the restaurant? When? Which day or weekend?
Weekend.
Very good. Every weekend. Number five, who wants to work in a factory?
Jane.
Jen. Jen. Is it right? No?
Yes.
Yes, it's Jen. And the last one, who likes the water?
Kate likes water.
Kate likes water, is right? Okay. Good job. Okay, you did a great job. You can give me the correct answer and underline the key points, sentences in the test. Good job. So how about you? Do you underline this keyword in? Okay, I will check it. Very good. When you underline the keyword or sentences in the test, this will give you the correct answer. Okay, now you will discuss with your friends in your group to think about the favorite place that you like. You can answer this question. What makes it your favorite place? Is it expensive or cheap? Is it famous? And who do you go with? Okay, I will give you 2 minutes to discuss with your friends. For which one will help you? Okay, I will give you an example. For example, my favorite place is the beach near my home or near my house. Is it beautiful and clean? Unique and active here. Beautiful and clean. Maybe it's very expensive places or cheap places to go. And I go there with my friend. Or you go there with your family. Or you go with father, sister, your best friend, or someone you like. Every weekend, or maybe on Sundays, on Saturday. I love swimming in the sea, and it's free. So you can remember, before love, like, enjoy, you need to add verb, ing here. Okay, I love swimming. I love playing badminton, playing table tennis here, or volleyball, beach. Okay, we can write it out. And I will show you the question again to have to read or to have to write. What's your favorite places?
My favorite places is
Maybe you want to go to the park, go to the zoo, cinema, or beach.
in the zoo.
Okay, 1 minute left. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. I would like to invite one person to volunteer to read the text for the friends. Okay, look please. Can you help me to read?
Yeah, my favorite place is the zoo.
Oh, the zoo.
Because it has a lot of animals.
Wow.
The zoo is big and wonderful. And the animals are so cute. The zoo is very famous and my friend usually go there, and I often go to the zoo with my family.
Okay, can you go to the board and write down for me please? So I will check. Okay, you can read. Very good. You can go to the board and help me to write down. Are you cleaning? Thank you. Okay, everyone, you can help me to check the writing here. If you see any mistake, you can come to the board and help me to write it again. Okay, you please, can you help me to check this paragraph? Oh, sorry, you can check it here. You can check the paragraph here. Okay, you can help me to check it. You can underline or circle. Okay, now everyone, please check again. I like to go to Le Bata part. Is it on or in? Is it on or in? On. Okay, on. On weekends? Yes or no? Why you add S here? Why? Because you go to the park every week. So in here you can every week. Every week. Okay. It's famous. Is it correct, class? Good job. There are many types of plants. Okay, are here. I love plants. I go with my friend. Or you can write I go there, or I go to the park with my friends. It's cheap. Maybe you can choose the word free. You don't have to pay any money to go to the park. My favorite place is the zoo because it pays, yes, correct, a lot of animals. Very good. The zoo is big and wonderful. The animals are cute. Okay, the animals are cute. Or sometimes the zoo has tiger, lion. It's very dangerous. adventurous. I go to the zoo with my family. Remember to put a dot here.
Yeah.